Hi. Welcome back to another MacGyver hack. We here at MacGyver always try to do new stuff. Stuff that does not exist yet, so today we think you might be interested in the following hack. If you are a dog owner, you might be familiar with these remote-controlled dog collars which you can use to help train your dog. Typically, they are a remote and a collar, and you can push buttons on the remote to send a signal to the dog collar to correct your dog. There are tons of these on Amazon. However, as far as I know, this dog collar appears to be the most high-tech. If you notice, they even have an app for it. You can even control the dog collar from your Apple Watch. However, there is still something missing, which we plan on fixing today. Here's the remote and its collar. As you can tell, you must have the remote with you and be near your dog collar in order for it to work. We like this model so far because with a single button, you can control the sound, vibration, and static, which would be perfect for our hack. Okay, so what is the problem we're trying to fix? Well, we have been getting a lot of dog owners who are watching their dog tear up their home from their security cameras and they can't do a thing about it.
What? Oh my God.
So here's our answer to that problem. Honestly, we wonder why this hasn't been invented earlier, but that's okay. We can add this to our list of another MacGyver's world's first idea. It's to add in a Wi-Fi relay, effectively turning your dog collar into another Internet of Things. Finally, you can control your dog collar from afar. That means if you see your dog doing something bad, you can remotely correct him from anywhere in the world. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to set up the Wi-Fi relay. Just wanted to mention here that it is very important to connect to a 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi network only. 5 GHz or any combinations of Wi-Fi networks should not be used. After it connects, name your Wi-Fi relay to anything important to you. This is important. You must set the momentary time to 0.5 seconds. We have successfully connected. A quick test to make sure everything is working. Okay, step 2, now to tear apart the remote. Here I am looking for the 2 leads that will allow me to simulate a button push. Now that we've established which 2 wires to use, we will begin making our points of entry and eventual soldering of my leads. Awesome! Now that we've successfully soldered on the leads, we can reassemble the remote. Some more testing here. You know the old adage. Testing at the beginning is cheaper than repairing a mistake later. Now to attach the 2 leads to our Wi-Fi relay board. Some more testing, this time using the Wi-Fi relay. We will now put our Wi-Fi relay board into a case.
Hi, this is Mac. You know what would be cool? Mike Guyver would really like it if you'd subscribe, like, and share his videos.
And we are done. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed the hack upgrade. It would be great if you would sub and share.